You're about to step inside a world of affordable off-grid cabins, rugged, minimalist, and designed for pure independence. They're real functional spaces built with budget and survival in mind. This video shows how off-grid living really looks: raw, resourceful, and 100% free from the grid. It's pretty wild, but surveys indicate that interest in off-grid living has actually increased by over 20% in just the last few years. More and more people are actively seeking that self-sufficient lifestyle, which is a significant trend. What does being off-grid really mean for your property value and future? While some might worry about resale, a well-built, well-maintained off-grid cabin with robust modern systems can actually be a huge asset. As energy costs rise and people seek more sustainable and independent lifestyles, a property that comes with its own reliable power, water, and waste management infrastructure becomes incredibly appealing. So instead of thinking it's a niche market, consider that it's increasingly seen as a valuable feature, a hedge against future uncertainties, and a truly unique selling proposition in the real estate market. All right, let's talk costs. Building a small, basic off-grid cabin could start around $50,000 if you're doing a lot of the work yourself, but a more comfortable, fully equipped one can easily push past $150,000 or more. It really varies a lot. There are so many different types of off-grid cabins, from tiny homes on wheels to rustic log cabins and even modern architect design structures. Each offers a unique approach to living independently.